The secrets to growing your locks. You really want to know? Do you really want to? I'm just kidding. I want to tell you. So basically, I think that the secret to growing your hair is to... Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So I was inspired to make this video today because I saw a picture of what my locks looked like exactly 2 years ago, almost to the date. This picture was taken May 4th of 2019, and I was about 6 months locked or so. I remember starting my lock journey on November 28th, I think, of 2018. And so this is about 6 months later, and now I am working on my 3rd year of being locked. I will celebrate my 3rd year lock anniversary this November, and I've noticed that my hair looks so different. 2 of the main things that I've noticed is, 1, the thickness of my hair. My hair has thickened up a whole lot, and I've also noticed just the texture over all of my hair looks completely different. And I remember back then when I was only 6 months locked, I thought my hair looked so thick and so luscious and so full and everything from when I first started. And now when I look back, I'm like, whoa. It just looks so different now. And it just made me realize how fast time went by. And also, a lot of y'all have been asking me questions about the products that I use. I'm also going to be sharing with you all my secrets to growing your locks really long and thick. Before I get started, keep in mind that I started my lock journey with about 14 inches of hair already, so my hair was already long when I started, but I did go through that major shrink phase because my hair was long and then it shrunk up like this so that it could, you know, start the locking process and everything. So with that being said, do not be discouraged if in 2 years your hair is not as long as mine, because obviously I did start with longer hair. The next time that I'm for sure going to do a length check, like an official length check, is going to be on my 3rd year update. I kind of want to do a length check right now, but I also kind of want to wait and do it officially on my 3rd year update. So I think that that's what I'm going to do. I don't really want to wait, but I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait to do it. At least for right now anyways. So today I'm going to be sharing with you all the secrets to growing your locks long and thick, and also I'm going to be sharing with y'all my top 5 favorite products that I have been using lately. Let's go ahead and get started with the video. First, I'm going to start off with the products that I have been loving. So I have all of my favorite lock products in this bin right here. There is 6 of them. I know I said 5, but 2 of them come in like a set, so I'm just considering that to be one. And that set is this shampoo and conditioner set that I have been using for a while now. It's like basically empty now, but this is by Design Essentials. It is the almond and avocado shampoo and conditioner. I've been using this for about a year now. I got the idea to use these 2 products from a super popular loctician here in Houston. His name is Walter. I remember him mentioning this in one of his videos. He has a lot of videos about locks, if you want to start locks, different methods that you can use to start locks, how to moisturize your hair, how to keep up with your locks, all of that. I really wish that he was my loctician, but I remember him saying that he did not do tiny locks, period. So I have not gone to his shop to try to get him to do my hair because I don't want him to hurt my feelings and tell me that he ain't doing 600 locks. So instead, I just watch his videos on YouTube. So he did mention the almond and avocado shampoo and conditioner from Design Essentials. So I have been using this for about a year now. Obviously I have restocked a couple of times, so this is not the same one that I've been using, but it is a little bit empty now. These 2 products, absolutely love them. The shampoo is not as harsh as the Canva clarifying shampoo, which is the shampoo that I started out using for the first like 6 to 8 months of being locked. I absolutely love that shampoo, but I did eventually feel like it was stripping my hair because I was washing my hair, you know, at least once or twice a week, and using that stripping shampoo, clarifying shampoo, I feel like was drying my hair out. So I started to kind of like go back and forth and mix it up a little bit between this shampoo and conditioning set and the other shampoo. In the beginning of my lock journey, I was saying not to condition your hair at all, period. But honestly, and I didn't. Let me just say that I was not conditioning my hair in the beginning of my lock journey because with all the videos and stuff that I was watching, they were telling me not to do that. Conditioning your hair adds moisture, and when you want your hair to lock, you want to kind of take away that moisture. I'm not sure if I still feel the same way about it. So I have an entire Microlocs playlist starting from the beginning of my journey, installation day, to now. I just want to say I am not sure if I completely agree with everything that I was telling y'all before with not conditioning, because at the end of the day, your hair is still your hair, whether it's locked or not, and I feel like you should be taking care of it as much as you were when you were loose natural. Now, in my opinion, having locks is a lot less of maintenance because you don't have to detangle and all that stuff. But as far as conditioning, I do feel like you can condition your hair, you know, maybe like twice a month or so. You don't have to just completely throw away all conditioners, which is what I did. I literally just had shampoo and oil, and that was it. And I did that for like the first year. I do have to say that if you decide to condition your hair, make sure that you rinse all of it out thoroughly, because I feel like that could be a problem. You may not wash it out all the way, and that could cause buildup. So if you do decide to condition, make sure that you rinse all of it out so that your hair is clean and you won't have a lot of buildup, which will eventually weigh down your hair and cause all kind of problems. I feel like I went on a tangent about this, but yeah, these two products, I really love them. I will have all the products that I am mentioning in the description box if you want to check that out. Now moving on to the next essential for wash day for me. I have just started to use this MelaninHairCare African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo. I absolutely love this shampoo. MelaninHairCare was created by one of my favorite natural hair YouTubers, Natural85. I was watching her back when I first went natural when I was like 10 years old, or maybe like 12 or 13, I don't know. But I've been watching her for a really long time, and when she came out with this, I was so excited, but I had locked my hair and I was like, dang, like I can't support, because I feel like this shampoo is not clear, as you can tell, and I was trying to use only clear shampoos at the time because I thought if anything was like creamy or thick, it was going to cause buildup and all that. So I didn't get it, but I decided to get it, of course. I have not had any problems with this, even though it is brown and it's kind of thick. I just, you know, dilute it and I rinse it out all the way, and I've had no problems, and I really love the shampoo, so I really recommend that y'all try this out. This African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo also has revitalizing tea tree, soothing turmeric, and black cumin seed. I love shampoos that have tea tree in it because I feel like I get a really nice thorough cleansing with tea tree. It's just that tingling feeling that you get on your scalp after you use tea tree, so I do get that from this, and I really love this. Now I want to move on to the oils that I use to moisturize my hair. I moisturize my hair at least once a day. At night whenever I'm braiding my hair, or in the morning when I'm taking my braids out. So I want to start off with this jojoba oil. It is completely empty, as you can see. I got this jojoba oil from Whole Foods, I believe. You can get it from Whole Foods, Walmart, anywhere, but I got this from Whole Foods, I think. And it's completely empty, but I love jojoba oil. I feel like jojoba oil is just a essential that every natural needs in their household. You can use this for your skin, for your hair. I use it for both. And since I ran out of that, I also have been using this Melanin multi-use pure oil blend, baobab oil and argan oil and vitamin E. One of the things that I love about this and the shampoo alike is that the application is really easy, because they both have this little, I can't think of what this is called. Why don't I know what this is called? But as you can see, it has like a little, you know, easy application tip thing where you can just like take the oil and like go like this and apply it to your scalp. And I really love that about this and the shampoo. And I think I put a little bit too much. And lastly, I love this coconut oil. It's a weightless oil. I get this from Target. They also have a argan oil one, but I love the coconut one because it smells so good. And I use this one, I want to say the most often, because I love that it just has like a little spray applicator. So it's just really easy to lightly spray your locks with it. and it's really easy to carry with you on the go because it has a cap and everything too. I spray this in my hair even when I don't need to moisturize it. I just love the smell of it. I've been using this oil for a really long time. Ever since I was a loose natural, I've been using this oil because I loved it for my box braids. So for my locks, I've also been using it a lot because I just love the smell of it. So those are all the products that I use on pretty much a daily basis for my locks. If you're interested in any of the products that I have, I will link everything in the description box. Now it's time for the information that you've been waiting on for this whole video. The secrets to growing your locks. You really want to know? Do you really want to? I'm just kidding. I want to tell you. So basically, I think that the secret to growing your hair, your locks long and thick, is to just leave them alone. Just leave your hair alone. That's it. That's all. That's the secret. Leave your hair alone. By leaving your hair alone, I mean not to do absolutely nothing to it and let your hair get dry, cracked, and brittle, and busted, and disgusted, and dusty. Obviously, I mean leave your hair alone, like with some regulations. I just believe that if you take care of your hair, you wash it, you get yourself on a great washing schedule, maybe once or twice a week, depending on how active you are, maybe more. And then making sure that you moisturize your hair. Don't let it get dry and brittle because you're trying not to cause buildup. There's nothing wrong with using some oils. Get yourself some oil of your choice. I would not recommend castor oil though because it is super thick. I would use castor oil like on my edges only, but not like the full shaft of my hair just because it's so thick. But just get yourself a little lightweight oil. Wash your hair every week. Keep your hair clean. That's a big thing, keeping it clean, keeping it moisturized, and that's it. There are some other things that I think contribute to the health of your hair and how fast it grows, like your diet, you know, if you're drinking enough water, things like that. Just take care of yourself. Your hair will be growing in no time. If you just forget about it like I did, I was just like, you know what? In the beginning of my journey, I was kind of conscious about my hair growth, and I wanted my locks to just get to my tailbone already. I wanted it to be super long. But if you just forget about it and just take care of your hair, just let it go. Let go and let God. Your hair is going to be growing in no time, and you're going to look up one day like I did and be like, dang, that was 2 years ago. Look at how much my hair has grown. And that's it. I hope that y'all enjoyed today's video. I hope that I was able to give y'all some ideas on some shampoos, conditioners, and oils that you can use for your locks. Let me know what products you love to use in the comments down below. I'll talk to y'all in my next video, and I'm out.
If you're doing what everyone else is doing, you're doing it wrong.
One of the best to ever do it.